In the previously loved area at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2016 Harley-Davidson FLTRU Road Glide Ultra in color Cosmic Blue. It's a nice paint scheme with some great graphics. I really should be shooting this one in the sun because it is a sparkly paint job. Really pretty bike. Part of the reason it looks so great. Barely over 2,000 miles as of right now. That will change as the bike is test ridden. I did notice something earlier. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah! A super nice set of Vance & Hines pipes that you don't have to pay for. Nice tone out of those, loud enough to be heard and noticed, but not loud enough to set off every car alarm as you go down a residential street. Another example of the graphics and the beautiful paint. Really nice treatment of the logo as well. It's a 2016, so it has a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, a 6-speed transmission, very low miles, truly incredible condition, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.